Renault begins production of long-range drones for the French army. In more detail, and according to an official announcement from the French Directorate General of Armaments, Renault will soon begin producing long-range, unmanned aerial vehicles for the country's armed forces. Its main partner in this new venture will be the French defense company Turgis Gala. For its part, Renault confirmed the above statements, revealing that the production lines will be located at its factories in the cities of Le Mans and Cléon, west of Paris. The contract the company signed with the French Ministry of Defense is estimated to be worth nearly 1 billion euros, while the duration of the cooperation will exceed 10 years. Renault itself avoided revealing more details about the said program. A few months ago, the French Ministry of Defense contacted us about a program concerning the development of a domestic drone industry, said a senior executive of Renault, adding, "They chose us for our expertise in industry, production, and design. The project is currently underway." French newspapers report that what Renault will produce will essentially be long-range guided munitions, similar to the Iranian kamikaze drones Sachet that excel in the ongoing Russo-Ukrainian war. These systems will be able to take on various roles, such as strike, espionage, and reconnaissance. The drone fuselages will be manufactured at Renault's factory in the city of Le Mans, while the engines for these aircraft will be produced at the factory in the city of Cléon. The company's goal is to assemble up to 600 units per month, according to local media. This is a historic shift for Renault, which may expand into even more sectors of the defense industry in the future, especially considering the increased demand within the old continent. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.